Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about how can you leverage threat intelligence best. Threat intelligence. Intelligence means knowledge. Okay. More you know about the threat, attack, the mind behind it, what techniques the hackers are using, what tools they are using, the industry they are targeting, what their steps, what the IP addresses they are using, the domain, or what are the traces they are leaving behind which can prove yes, this is the attack. If we know more about the threat, the way it's working, we will be more prepared to fight against it. Okay, so how just you can use your threat intel in a better way and get the maximum result out of it. Okay, threat intel that's coming from different sources. Okay, for example, here are over the internet, thousands of the professionals are working, cybersecurity analyst, the cybersecurity professional from different industries. They are collecting the information about threats. Okay, the devices sending the information, the feedback, if certain kind of attacks are happening and what the way hackers perform the attacks, they are sending continuously the information every day on everyday basis, because internet is just open for 24/7. Hackers around the world are performing the attack or different industries. They are changing their techniques rapidly. Okay, and whatever the change they made, these changes we need to know, and the threat intel just give us the broad overview, the way of the hackers are thinking, and this can help the organization to fight against the cyber attacks. It can help the higher management to think about what type of threat trends are nowadays, how just it can affect our companies. Okay, whether they are targeting certain industries, and if just we are in the same industry and this attack will using this certain kind of techniques, then definitely we can protect our organization prior to the cyber attack will launch against our company. Okay, and for the say SOC team, they want to handle it, they can also use it, because threat intel give us the feed. Okay, for example, on our firewall we just collecting that feed, and when any kind of attack will happen in our organization, already we are having the database against those attacks, and this attack will no more be able to enter in our organization. Okay, and this threat intelligence is just not coming from the outside only. It can be our internal or inside threat intel, and it is also helpful when any kind of incident happen in our organization, and the way we combat, the way we remove all those attacks from our organization, and if we well document those steps for incident response, this can also help us to fight against the future kind of attack when it will happen to our organizations, because we have the ready-made steps with us. Okay, and the new kind of attacks that's emerging, threat intel will give us the idea about it. Okay, and it is just not only the knowledge that just only theoretical. This knowledge is actionable. we can take the action, because in SOC team, continuously they are observing thousands of the logs every day. Okay, and it is very hard to identify which log is false positive or true, which is just indicating, yes, this is indicating as a attack. Threat and intel just give us, if you are facing or you are observing certain kind of alerts that's related to IOCs, indicator of compromise, you can clear-cutly differentiate that alert from the false positive alerts. Okay, and immediately you can take action, either that's isolating the infected devices, okay, or shut it down. It's up to you what the precautions you want to take to secure your environment. Okay, so threat intel, just it's a very crucial, where it's an integral part of cyber security, and can leverage the incident response time. If we have the right kind of threat intel in our company, we will be able to drastically decrease the response time. Okay, and it can save our company's reputation, revenue, and lot of advantages we can take from the threat intel, and we must understand it well and how it works. Okay, so follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends, group members as well, so that they can understand the importance of the threat intel, how they can use it, and what are the benefits they can take about the best use of the threat intel. So see you in the next session. Namaste.